Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best plasma cutters. The Lotos 5000 is a compact and efficient plasma cutter that excels at cutting various metals, including steel, aluminium, and copper. Equipped with non-touch pilot arc technology, it allows for smooth cuts on rough or painted surfaces without needing direct contact with the material. The dual voltage feature adds versatility, making it suitable for home use or on-the-site jobs. Its V MOSFET transistor and high-frequency inverter technology ensure clean cuts with minimal distortion. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. It can be noisy, producing around 100 decibels during operation, and its cutting speed isn't the fastest, particularly for thick materials. Users may also find the airflow rate less effective in high humidity environments, affecting overall performance. Additionally, replacement parts like consumables might be harder to source compared to more premium brands. In summary, this model is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts and light industrial tasks due to its portability, affordability, and reliable cutting power. It provides excellent value for its price, though it may not suit heavy-duty or fast-paced industrial jobs. You can find the link to purchase it on Amazon in the description below the video. The PrimeWeld is a versatile plasma cutter ideal for both hobbyists and light industrial use. It features a no-touch pilot arc, allowing it to cut through rough, painted, or rusty materials without contact. Its dual voltage capability lets it operate on both 110 volt and 210 volt, making it adaptable to different work environments. The machine's MOSFET inverter technology ensures precise, consistent cuts on metals like steel, aluminium, and copper, while the compact design and lightweight body at 25 pounds enhance portability. However, some downsides include the need for a stable air supply to maintain optimal cutting performance. The machine's durability may not match high-end professional models, so it's better suited for moderate, non-commercial use. Additionally, the availability of consumables can sometimes be an issue, so stocking up is recommended. Overall, this model offers excellent value, especially with its 3-year warranty and budget-friendly price. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small workshops. You can find a link to purchase this product on Amazon in the description below the video. The FORNEY Easy Weld is a lightweight and portable plasma cutter designed for cutting materials like mild steel, aluminium, brass, and copper up to 1/4 of an inch thick. It operates on a standard 120 volt power outlet, making it convenient for home workshops or light industrial tasks. This machine uses drag torch technology, which allows you to drag the tip directly on the surface for smoother, more precise cuts. It also comes equipped with a built-in air regulator and dryer, ensuring clean air for optimal performance. Despite its portability, the unit has a relatively low duty cycle of 35% at maximum power, meaning it requires regular cooling periods. This makes it less suitable for extended cutting sessions or heavy-duty industrial work. Additionally, it can be slower when cutting thicker metals and may need extra cleanup on the edges. In summary, this model is a solid choice for hobbyists or light-duty professionals looking for an affordable, easy-to-use plasma cutter. You can check out the link in the description for more details on where to buy it. The Lotos 8000 is an 80 amp plasma cutter designed for heavy-duty cutting, capable of making clean cuts through 1 inch of metal, including steel, aluminium, and copper. It features non-touch pilot arc technology, allowing it to cut through rough, painted, or rusty surfaces without needing direct contact with the material. The machine is powered by a 220 volt input and comes equipped with an IGBT inverter, ensuring efficient and stable performance, even during demanding tasks. This cutter is built for both industrial applications and serious DIY work. Despite its impressive performance, this device has some limitations. It only operates on a 220 volt power source, which may limit its use in certain environments. At 38 pounds, it is not as lightweight as some other models, which could impact portability. In summary, this model is a powerful and reliable tool for users who need serious cutting capacity at a reasonable price. You can check the link in the description for more details on where to purchase it. The Hobart Air Force 12CI is a highly portable plasma cutter with a built-in air compressor, making it convenient for DIY enthusiasts and light-duty professionals. It's designed to cut through materials like mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and brass with ease, delivering clean cuts up to 1/8 of an inch and severing up to 1/4 of an inch. This unit runs on a standard 120-volt household outlet, which means it doesn't require special power setups, making it ideal for home workshops or on-the-go projects. On the downside, this device is limited by its single voltage of 120 volts, making it unsuitable for heavy-duty tasks or use with CNC plasma tables. Additionally, the built-in compressor means you can't attach an external one for more demanding tasks. Overall, this model is a solid choice for hobbyists and light-duty professionals who value portability and ease of use. For more details and pricing, check the Amazon link in the video description. The Hobart Air Force 40i is a high-performance plasma cutter designed for light to heavy-duty tasks, making it versatile for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers powerful cutting capabilities, with clean cuts up to 5/8 of an inch on materials such as mild steel, aluminium, stainless steel, and more. The dual voltage feature adds flexibility, allowing it to be used in different environments. Its inverter-based design makes it lightweight and portable at just 21 pounds, making it easy to transport between job sites. However, this device does have some drawbacks. The ground clamp could be more secure, and the power cord is relatively short, which may require repositioning the unit during larger jobs. Some users also mention that the price is a bit high for beginners, but offers great long-term value due to its robust build and performance. Overall, this model is a solid choice for both light and heavy industrial applications. It provides fast, clean cuts and is easy to transport, making it ideal for professionals who need reliability and mobility. Check out the Amazon link in the description for more details and pricing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.